Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean all of my copper. This is my copper tensor ring, and I also have my copper cup from Embodiment Celestial because I am vegan, so we need to drink copper. As you can see, it's like super dirty right now. So here's the thing with copper, it has very special cleaning instructions. So with regular soap and water, this is not going to be clean. It's not going to wash off with regular soap and water. It's still going to look the same because copper will absorb negative frequencies. So if I take my necklace and I use like regular soap, and then like I try to clean it with like regular soap. Here, let me get more. Regular soap, it's not going to get clean. It stays the same color. Yeah, it's like staying the same, right? But it's just like regular soap. And it does not clean. So, since copper does absorb negative energies and it does not wash with regular soap, we need an energetic cleanser. So what we're going to be using is lemon, because lemon actually purifies the energy. And we're also going to be using salt. So when you use the lemon and salt together, it will clean. So I found something really interesting about my tensor ring. So this is called a tensor ring, and what it does is that it enhances your biofield and protects you from negative energies, right? It's basically a protective amulet. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but the strap on the tensor ring is different on each side, right? So there's the front side and then there's the back side, right? So I always wear it like one way. So I always wear it the front outward so it looks good. And if you notice on the tensor ring, this side will look a bit darker than the other side because I am vegan and I regularly cleanse my energy. So this side that touches my body is actually lighter than the side that touches the world. So this is the outside, this is the inside. So it's a little bit lighter if you can see that. It's a bit darker, and this is a bit lighter because my energy, because I'm vegan, it's actually going to be better. So I'll show you with the lemon. And then I also like to use with the tensor ring, it has like a lot of like crevices in there. So I use one of these brushes to clean it with the lemon. So now we get to, I'm doing this with one hand, sorry. But we get to clean it like this. So you can see I cleaned it with the lemon a little bit more, and it's already getting lighter and it's looking a lot better. I'm sorry that my camera is not picking up these like tones. I don't know, it's my phone's fault, but it is getting a lot lighter than it was before because now we're using the lemon to purify the energy that it absorbs instead of using regular soap because regular soap does not purify energy. So now I completely cleaned my necklace. Now you can see it's a lot lighter and brighter than before because I used the lemon. And then after I clean it down with the lemon, I use regular soap and my bristle brush, and I get in all the crevices to clean off any of the lemon residue because it does get like caught in here, you know, like in those little cracks. So yeah, you just like wash it off with soap, and then I also wash the strap with soap too. So now it's completely clean and ready to be used again. I'll let you see the example of my copper cup too, so you can see it's really dirty. See, as you can see with regular soap, it's not actually cleaning all that stuff off. This is just regular soap and it still looks exactly the same, right? So now we're going to go in with our lemon to clean the energy of the copper because regular soap won't clean energy. So we put our lemon in there, and then we got some salt, and we'll use the lemon as a sponge. Now you can see with the lemon, the color is much brighter and it's a whole lot cleaner. See? So now that we completely cleaned our copper and it looks way better, right? Way better with the lemon, way better. And it's nice and clean and bright. Now with our copper cup, we're gonna refill it with some mineral water. So this has all my essential minerals because we are vegan, right? And so we'll go ahead and fill it up. And then we'll put a lid on it and let it sit for 12 hours so the copper can seep into the water and make the water copper water, but you need to wait for it to brew, and then we can enjoy the copper.